So how can you turn off the blinking light on the iPhone camera? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc because you don't want to miss videos and tutorials like this one. Well, there are more things you might mean. First of all, whenever you're using or looking at the front-facing selfie camera on the iPhone, sometimes you might notice that there's like a little blinking going on. Right, and this is not really the flashing of the camera, but it's the sensor for Face ID, which is like tracking your face, right? So it is supposed to be there in order to track your face properly. It's not being active all the time, only when you're using the feature like to unlock the phone, for example, right? So you might notice that it's blinking. So in order to turn it off, you can only just stop using Face ID altogether, right? So that's probably the thing that you had in mind. But outside of that, there are other things like using the rear camera. The flashing might be for, the actual flash, which can be set up inside of the camera app, right? So whenever you're taking a picture, you're going to tap on the corner options and choose the flash to be either turn on, off, or automatic. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Same thing for video as well. Just make sure you choose the flash settings before you start capturing the photos or videos. And the last thing you might have in mind are the flash notifications. So you can set it up then that somebody is calling you or you receive a notification that the flash also goes off too, right? So you can change it in the settings by going to the accessibility section, and there you can find the audio and visual section, and in there you can see the LED flash for alerts, right? And you can see a couple of toggles, so set it up to fit your preferences. But that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.